To set up region entrance and region exiting AI on the NVR, we navigate to the bottom left corner of the screen, click it, and then click on Setup. From here, we go to AI Setup. In AI Setup, we go to Detection Setup and navigate to region entrance or region exiting, depending on which we want to activate. Let's start with region entrance. We click on it and also make sure this switch is turned on. Set the sensitivity to what we want. For example, here we are going to leave it at 60 and click on Apply. Once it's done saving successfully, we can then click on the gear icon under Setup to go into the Settings menu. Here we can set different things like increasing or reducing the minimum or maximum pixels. We can set the detection type that we want, either pedestrian and/or motor vehicle and/or non-motorized vehicle. We can also decide on the number of rules that we want. Rules meaning the number of areas we would like to cover. We have from Rule 1 to 4. Let's say we want to set for Rule 1. We enable this and then come to where we want to draw our region entrance. Say we want to draw the region entrance in this region. We start by making a box like this. Once we're done specifying our detection area, click on the Save button. Now, because we already enabled the switch earlier, you notice that once a car is coming towards the drawn region entrance, the car is detected and shown with a green detection cover. But once it goes into the region, this changes to red. This is how to turn on region entrance. Same thing can be done for region exiting. If we just navigate back to the AI menu and go to region exiting. Note that for this AI detection, we can turn on both region entrance and region exiting simultaneously, and they would work as intended. Now turn on the switch. Make sure the sensitivity is set and click on Apply. Now we go to Settings by clicking on the gear icon under Setup. With Rule number 1 switch turned on, let's say we want to draw the region exiting area in this place. When a vehicle, for example, leaves the region, we are going to get a detection. As you can see, we're done drawing the region exiting area. And now when we click on Save, all the vehicles that leave that region will be detected. This is how to set up region entrance and region exiting on the NVR.